භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස සායේන සංවරෝ සාධු සාධු වාචාය සංවරෝ මනසා සංවරෝති සාධු සබ්බත් සංවරෝති. Venerable, I would like to ask you, most venerable Mahasangha, Bhikkhuni Sangha, and our Bhutto Sangha.
Translate.
You translate.
Translate.
They understand.
They understand.
They understand.
No need
No,
to.
you can
They understand English. They understand everybody knows.
all of them.
Yeah.
Yes, Bhante.
Last to summarize.
Then they little bit sick for me. Therefore, my mouth and tongue dry. Because since yesterday I didn't have food, therefore little bit tired. Now, however, according to my practice, I will like to give you a Dhamma talk. Then, first of all, I am from Sri Lanka. My temple is at Helyagoda. As well as I born in Kandy area. Yeah. Kandy area, district of Noor area. Then I ordained my 15 years old. When I ordained 15 years old. Now I am become 85 years. 85 years. My ordained life is now 69. My ordained life. Beforehand, I was as a 10 precept nun, 42 years. You know 10 precept nun? We call 10 precept nun?
Dasashila.
Dasashila.
Dasasila. Yes, Dasasila. Then, after that, 1998, 1997, we are going to the Dambulla. They start our Dambulla Mahanayaka Thero start Bhikkhuni order. Therefore, we went to there to training 8 months. After that, we selected to carry 20 Samaneris for higher ordination. That means Upasampada. Then after that, now 29 years old, my higher ordination. Then since then we did many things. I have been about 22 countries for the ladies invitation to do the religious activities, Buddhist religious activities. Then our close country, India. I have been first time 1968 to India to as a pilgrimage. Then after that, I got very happy to India. I can't forget my India because our nationality is from India. Our religion is from India. Our culture is from India. Therefore, our country mother is the India. I always respect to India. Why? The all are created from India. Then since then we came. Now I have worship, pay respect to Buddha Gaya 50 times. How many times? 50 times. But you are, maybe you are India, maybe not like that many times went to the Buddha Gaya.
Only one
How
time.
many times?
Only one time.
Only one time. Yes. I have 50 times. Yes. Then I would like to India very well. As well as my Buddhist country, my Buddhist people are here. Then I am very like to them. Now I can't go proper way because of my age. However, I would like to come here. That is the way show me Samaneri Metta. She was my student as well as my Kalyana Mitta to participate in this occasion. Yes. Then you have listened to the Dhamma, our most venerable Bhanteji. Maybe give the Dhamma talk very well because he learned very well in Sri Lanka according to the Theravada generation in Sri Lanka. Dhamma. He maybe give the Dhamma talk you. Sometimes he will show me my mistake also. I asked him, if I have some mistake, show me. Please show me. I worship to his feet. I ask. So, can you understand?
Carry on.
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
Yes, no. I ask after my finished Dhamma.
Yeah.
Yes. You must listen to the Dhamma very well. In Pali stanza we have Sunata Dhareta Charata Dhamma. Sunata, listening very well. Without your body is here, your mind is everywhere. Your home, your village, your office, your paddy field, everywhere may be your mind. Not only that, sometimes will go in there. Without you going, you are not going there. That country is also. maybe your mind will go. Then not like that. You must listen this occasion, this listening. After that, you can understand. Dhareta, as well as you must learn, you must study. What is this Bhikkhuni tell to us? Not my Dhamma. This is the Samma Sambuddha's Dhamma. Our Bhantiji also asked you, our Samma Sambuddha's Dhamma. That is our right is. Because once Ananda Thero asked from the Samma Sambuddha one question. Bhante, these people always offer to us Chivara, Pindapata, Senasana, Vilambasa. You know these 4 kinds of things, no? You know. Then why we give them, what we give them? Ananda Thero asked. Samma Sambuddha replied, Ananda, Vihinam upakarontanam nityam amisa danato karota dhamma danena tepi punyasya bhagino. Ananda, this all are these people offer to something Chivara, Pindapata, Senasana mean kuti, as well as medicine. They are offered. Then we should give something for them. What we have given. Cloth or paddy or rice or what money or what we give. Karota Dhamma Danena, Samma Sambuddha told, give the Dhamma talk to them. Their life to useful them. Their life can prepare in the life to go to the heaven as well as to obtain human beings as well as to obtain to Nibbana. Therefore, am I deep? Can you understand?
Yes, Bhante.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
If you have something to can't understand, please tell me. Yes, please tell me. Then always before you know our Bhante knows in our country, after Dana, they give the Dhamma talk. That is called Muktanumodana. Give the Dhamma talk. Why? That Buddha's word, they imitate even 2600 ago. Buddha gave us some advices. That is why we do like that. They tell to what is the result. Yudadana, Sangadana, as well as Chivara, Ashtaparikara, Chesu, other Pariskara, and some given building, kuti, small kuti, big kuti, medium kutis, as well as large kuti also they prepare, give the as a dana. As well as they supply always medicine. Then sometimes when you go to the temple, sometimes Vanteji become sick. Then what kind of sick you have? They ask him. This is the good medicine to use you. Like that they supply everything. Then you are support 4 kinds of things. Then Vanteji support your what? To how to prepare your body, your life, how to prepare. Then like that Dhamma talk Vanteji give. He give the results of who offer to the dana, ayu, one, japa, panya, strength. Someone give the dana, he can get as a result what? Ayu. He live long time. He live long time. As well as he or she become beautiful without makeup. When he or give the dana, can why? How to become beauty? How to become beauty? The mind will become purified. Mind will get much saddha. Therefore, their body is become beauty. As well as they can get happy. They can get happy. That happy coming, we have nothing to give someone. We have much heavy in our chest. We have much heavy. That heavy become reduced, offer to dana. That is why they become happy. As well as when take the dana, they supply their body strength supply. As well as the very special thing is panya. Panya. Without food, can't take the panya. Then therefore, we have no time to all the describe. All the things we have no time to describe. Therefore, like those things, you can get in your life. Listen to the Dhamma. As well as we are very lucky people. We are very lucky people. Why? We got human beings, human life we got. As well as we have no disabled. We have good our hands, our legs, our eyes, our ears. We can talk very well. Like this, everything we have, we got those things. That is why I told you we are very lucky. Not only that, we got Buddha's Sasana is now. We born, the time is very valuable. That is Buddha's Sasana is there. Buddha Dhamma is in our country. Buddha Dhamma we have because once Ananda Thero asked from Buddha, Samma Sambuddha, you become Parinibbana, who give the Dhamma talk for us? Then Samma Sambuddha told, now I am give the Dhamma talk, only me. After my passed away, you can 84,000 teachers. Who is the 84,000 teachers? Who? Dhamma. Dhamma. We call in Sinhala Asusara Dahasa Dharmaskandhi. 84,000 Dhamma. We have. Like that occasion, we got this human life. As well as we got Kalyana Mitra, good friend. Good friend means to show the human life, to show the heaven life, Deva life, to show the Brahma life, to show the Nibbana, how to get the Nibbana, how to go, which path we go, take to attain to Nibbana. Like this teachers, we have Kalyana Mitra. Who is that Kalyana Mitra? Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni. That is, they are our Maha Kalyana Mitra. Without Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni can't give the Dhamma talk for you. Arrange your life. Therefore, you must associate with Bhikkhu Bhikkhuni and as well as who is know the Dhamma Vinaya. That he lay man no veva, lay woman can give the Dhamma talk. Therefore, we are very lucky. We are very lucky. As well as, not only that, Saddhammo Paramidulabho, in Pali says, who give the Dhamma talk? Sometimes we can't go to that, listen to that Dhamma. Many problems come. We can't go. We can't listen to that Dhamma. We are ready to go there, but however, many problems come with us, in front of us. Therefore, we couldn't listen to the Dhamma. Then, however, we go there, we can't listen to the Dhamma. We can't listen to the Dhamma because our mind is not same place. Mind are going everywhere. Everywhere mind goes. People are sitting here, but mind is not here. That is useless. Then you know, if you listen to the Dhamma from the start, since finished, your mind is very well, you listen to the Dhamma. That is, your mind become relics, put custard. Would you understand? We are where to put our relics. Then here is no.
No, that's
So, yeah, you take.
ಉತ್ತರ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು.
Relax, relax.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಕ್ಸ್
Relax.
No, it is in the downstairs.
Downstairs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is one small shrine room, so doctor has kept there.
Yeah. That is the like relics in your mind become when you listen to the Dhamma very well, like that. As well as you read in the book also, you can get like that occasion. Then therefore listen to the Dhamma very well. Your mind go, before also I told you, without passport to many country. You don't know, you never been, but your mind thinking go there. Therefore, your mind should be same place. That is why Buddha, Sammasambuddha's time, when he gave the Dhamma talk, finally so many people become Soang, Sakadagami, Anagami, Arahant. They got. That is why, not just then, therefore, you must listen to the Dhamma. Sometimes you may have chance to listen to the Dhamma. YouTube, the good monks are there. Good meditations monks are there. They give the Dhamma talk. I don't know in Hindi.
Hindi, no, this place is talking in Kannada. We
Yeah,
have a Kannada language here.
yeah.
Many people knows Hindi also.
Yeah. Then, therefore, you must always listen to the Dhamma. We are very lucky. We are very lucky. Why? We are telling Buddham Saranam Gacchami, Dhammam Saranam Gacchami, Sangham Saranam Gacchami. We like that people never go to the hell. Buddha told. That Buddha told that Mahanama, Shakya, Prince, who ever tell the Buddham Saranam Gacchami, Dhammam Saranam Gacchami, Sangham Saranam Gacchami. You know, in this India, how many people are there? How many million?
1.4.
Yes. 154 million. How many they are telling the Buddham Saranam Gacchami, Dhammam Saranam Gacchami? That is why, because everybody to God use Buddha's time also same. Buddha's time also same. Then, therefore we are very lucky. We are very lucky. Like that most valuable location we got. Then, not only that, like that occasion we got, you can understand me?
Yes, yes.
I think some can't understand. Yeah.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, yes, sir.
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್.
ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಮ್ಗಾಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, yes.
Yes. In brief, you explain to them.
ಓಕೆ.
Yeah.
ಓಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ.
Yeah.
ಎಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಶೂರ್.
Now.
ನಾವು
Yeah.
ಧಮ್ಮ 84,000 ಧಮ್ಮ ಕಂದಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ? 140 ಕೋಟಿ, 1.4 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಬುದ್ಧಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಬುದ್ಧಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ 30 to 40 lakhs ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಬುದ್ಧರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಧಮ್ಮ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಧಮ್ಮ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ
Then I put the topic also. Kayena sammaro sadhu, sadhu vachaya sammaro. Manasa sammaro sadhu, sadhu sabbatta sammaro. How can we find out where Dhammapada, Dhammapada? Kayena sammaro sadhu. We restrain our body. We restrain our body. How to restrain? That this body can do four things to bad things. We kill the animals, not only animals, people also these days, many people.
People are killing, not animal. The people are more killing
Yeah.
than animal.
Yes. People killing. That is the wrong things, our body. When we are killing the animals, so whosoever life destroy, he is do the bad things. He does bad things. Then, as well as in mind, not words, notes. How many? Musavad, Visunavaj, Parusavaj, Sampapalapa. Then four things to tell. We become bad. We become dirty in our mouth. From our mouth become dirty. Musavad. What is the meaning of Musavad?
Telling lies,
Telling lie.
backbiting,
Yes. Bad.
backbiting,
Yes.
and using bad words.
Telling. Tell.
Yeah,
Someone tell to something at
that is
once.
gossiping.
Yes, that is tell the other person. That is the bad.
Backbiting.
Musavad, Visunavacha. Visunavacha is something hearing very well. I did not telling others. Please you tell me. I protect your faith in me. Sure, when she moved from that place, tell to others. Then sometimes from between the family, between the neighbors, between the anybody can become many problems, troubles. That is the Visunavat. Parusavat. What is the meaning of Parusavat?
Harsh words.
Bad words.
Bad words.
Bad words. They are telling bad words. Especially who is telling that one? Especially drunk people drinking the alcohol. Then after that they are used the filthy word. Filthy word is the Parsavata. As well as Sampapalapa. Sampapalapa means
Useless chatting.
not used to tell people, not used to listen to people like that. Especially our ladies are telling Sampapalapa. Where they are get together, they are talking without useful there. To killing the time, they are tell. That is in the Sampapalava. No useful things. Then, therefore, you must protect your mind, telling lie. Then, Sammasambuddha told, whoever talk to Dhamma. Otherwise, we keep silence. We keep silence. Our ladies are not so. They are talking. Neighbor's house, how to do, what to do. Their children, how to behave. Their children, what to do. Others are how to study. Then like that, many things. Then how are they wearing, how is their dress, many things talking others without you and without listening people. Then you must be careful like that. Then that is in our mind happen. Akusala, always bad karma will happen. Then otherwise, what to become mind? Mind, yes, bad thing.
Three things from mind.
But
From mind, how many
mind,
bad things? Yeah.
what kind of bad things happen in mind?
Dosa.
Dosa, only that?
No, dosa.
Lobha,
Lobha and
dosa,
moha.
moha. Lobha means?
Lobha means greediness.
Yes, lobha means desires, lust.
Yes, lust.
Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. To collecting. Always collecting. Not to offer to dana. That is the lobha. They don't give to others something. But not only that, they don't like to see someone come in their house to see their valuable things. They don't like, because sometimes they may be asked from me, and they are not like that. People are in the society. When people are in the society like that, then in this India, Anebidu, Anathapindika, Visaka Mahaupasika, Kochala Raja, then like that Bimbisar, they give the dana, so much dana. Then when they offer to dana, they release their mind without any hesitating. Then therefore lobha, dvesha, moha. What is the meaning moha? Moha.
Ignorance.
Foolish.
Foolishness.
Stupid. We have moha. All of us we have moha. Not only you. All of us have moha. Otherwise, we can realize the Dhamma. We are not realized Dhamma yet because of the moha. Not increased, not improved panya. Without panya, can't understand Dhamma. Panya should be with us always. You think about that. You should think anicca. Everything is anicca. Yes. Then when we see our mind, wherever you sit down, wherever you go to the washroom also, you can think about the mind. You can improve there also your mind, anya. Therefore, you should think everything is before you go to the washroom. You have much trouble, pain. After you go to the washroom, do you have like that problems?
No.
No. You are released. Therefore, anicca. That vedana also anicca. You think about that, very, very small things you think to improve your panya, wisdom. Then, like that, I told you, kayena samvaro sadhu. Sadhu vachaya samvaro. That Usavada, Pisunavacha, Parusavacha, Sampasala. Musavada means mostly I ask how many precepts you protect the Panchasila. Then they reply, I can everything protect. But I can't. But which precept? Musavad. Musavad
This is the
precept.
main precept.
Yes. Yes. Main precept. That is main precept. Our Bante, Dite and all. Main precept. Why? Our Bodhisattva. Our Bodhisattva practice to tell Satya means truth. To tell the truth. He 1,000 by 1,000, that by that, million by million lives he improved how to kill. Bodhisattva got the parami from Pimaturama Sammasam. After that he didn't tell any day to lie. Why? If he tell lie, he couldn't understand Four Noble Truth himself. Four Noble Truth himself, he can't realize. That is why. Then, therefore, you must try to telling truth. Telling truth. Mostly, you counting one day. How many liars are telling? I will give the opinion for you. Protect Panchasila. One day early in the morning, tomorrow early in the morning, you go to in front of the Samma Sambuddha, you namaskara and you observe Panchasila. Then after that you think, I will protect this sila 1 hour. How long?
1 hour.
1 hour. 1 hour I would protect this sila. Then after that you can get much consolation in your mind, not happy in your mind. Then next day you think, today I protect my Panchasila 2 hours. 2 hours. Like this you can practice. This is the practice. Parami, we call parami. Parami means practice. Bodhisattva practice to give the dana, to protect sila, to protect to going to lay life to go to the to protect sila as ascetic. Like this, you must think about to improve your dana, sila, bhavana, satya, like these things. As well as we need virya also. We need khanti also. What is the meaning khanti?
Patience.
Patience.
Get patient. Tolerate. Patience. Relieve. Then other one is aditya. Aditya. Determination. You must have your mind improve the determination. Yes. You must have some idea. After that you go to that idea to get result. Then you must be determination. When you go to the school, you think, I need to become like that post. You have a determination. Then, therefore, like that things, we should have our life. Nibbana is not so far. It is near us. What is the far? We do not complete our paramita, dana, sila, nikhamma, panya. That is metta, dikha, like this. Khanti paramita. You know, our Bodhisattva, he Paramatma paramita, upaparamita, paramatma paramita, adi, like that. It is he practice. Therefore, that is why he could understand, that he could become Buddha. We are not, all are not determination to become Buddha. All are not. But, however, we need to get arahantaship also. There should be determination, determined, therefore also, that one also. Therefore, little by little, we must improve in our mind. Our mind should be progress. Our mind should be improved day by day. Yes. Then, kayena samvaro sadhu, sadhu achyaya samvaro, manasa samvaro sadhu. I told you, lobha, dvesha, moha. Lobha means desires, lust, then everything. Everything is mine, not to belong to others. They are all mine. I should be here, this post is mine. Not to come this chair, another one. You think so. That is what is that? Lobha. As well as jealous also. What's the jealous?
Hated.
Huh? One thing, jealous.
Hated.
Other people become improved. I am not like that.
Yeah.
Yes. I always try to look down upon,
Yeah.
to get the down. Then jealous. Jealousy is very bad.
No, Nandita.
Yes. No mudita. Mudita. No metta. Mudita. No karuna. Yes. Then little by little, can't do everything at once. One day we can't do. By and by we must improve. To the pay respect to the triple gems. What's the meaning triple gems? Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Pay respect to the triple gem, as well as pay respect to the parents, pay respect to the adults, pay respect to the teachers. Not only that, we should do the help to the sick people also. Sick people. How to help to sick people? How do we help? Given some medicine, yes, given something to eatable things, not everything. According to their sickness, we should give, supply them. We should provide like that, those things. Then that is the much merit, much merit. Don't think, oh, he is my neighbor, he is my relation, he is my friend. Not to think about that. He is the very sick man or lady. So you think about that, you can get much merit for them. Sometimes you give something for him because when I get sick, he also come in, he will bring something to me, he help me like that. And as well as sometimes we need to, sick people need to money also to take medicine, channel the doctor, like that thing. At that occasion, you can't give all the money. According to your ability, you can give some money for him. That is the sick people to give the help. Help.
Service.
Yes. Then as well as many things. We don't now enough. Ah. Yeah.
See, I have to go to attend another function there. So I ask permission from our Venerable Mataji and you all also. So I have to leave now. With your permission, I'm leaving.
Yeah.
So we'll meet next time.
Ah.
Wherever you there, wherever I will be. So then we are all in the Sasana, we are meeting somewhere.
Yeah.
So the beauty of the Sasana, the power
Yeah.
of the Sasana,
Yeah.
we will be.
If I now finish?
No, you continue.
Ah.
You continue, our people are listening.
Ah.
So you are giving in a penetrative mode, so they are all understanding.
Yeah.
So allow me to go.
Yeah.
So we can
Yeah.
go ahead. because of you and the other your arrival, I came here.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
one of our Upasika, he brought me.
Yeah.
So the Mataji came from Sri Lanka,
Yeah.
as told by doctor.
Yeah.
So I came to see you. I'm very happy.
Yes.
So with happy, I'm leaving.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Bless you.
Thank you. Bhanteji, you must be another few minutes. I should have asked from these people. I saw one or two. Buddhas Nila Pita Lohita Odata, that muffler, like a muffler.
Panchashila.
I think it is not good. You may be angry with me. Never mind. I need to tell you.
Yeah, no angry, but so here people are used to keep, so what you say is correct. So we should not wear it like this. Yes.
That is not good because disrespect to the Samma Sambuddha. Samma Sambuddha, when he become Buddha, for
Then that aura that came from his emitting from his body, that color he only wear, we cannot wear.
yeah, then
ಆ
they are
ಬಣ್ಣಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬುದ್ಧ ದೇಹದಿಂದ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬುದ್ಧರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ.
ಒಟ್ಟದಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು
Therefore, you don't allow to others also like that. Yeah, you also don't like this. Yeah. Yes.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ,
Yeah.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಲೋ.
Yeah.
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಬಿಹಾರದ ಮಾದರಿಯ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಂಗಳು ಆಗಲಿ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂದು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇನ್ನು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಡೀ ದಿನ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು
Does Mataji also going?
ನೋ
Then,
He has to travel to Tamil Nadu. He has to travel to Tamil Nadu. It's very far. So
they're staying there. But he's from Karnataka.
so now, finish Mataji?
No, Bhatta. Yes, Bhatta. Please continue, Bhatta. Please continue, Mataji. It's our pleasure,
Then, therefore, I tell you, Kayena Samaro Sadhu body become restrained, as well as mouth, how to become restrained, and mind, how to become restrained. Then, like these 3, Sambuddha told, these 3 become restrained, he can to defeat the Mara. He can defeat the Mara. Then therefore, you must try. Now, what else you need to know from me? You ask question.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಡೌಟ್